Yung 50,000 niya, in 3 days, naging more than $1 million. Pero one of the things na I love about sa pagtitrade ng Forex is yung accessibility niya. So, as long as meron kayong any smart devices na kaya mag-install ng mga trading platform like cellphone, laptop, tablets, computers, at meron kayong magandang Wi-Fi or internet or data, you can do your buying and selling of your assets anywhere na meron kayong access sa internet. That's the beauty of it. Okay? Unlike sa mga traditional businesses na kailangan mo meron kang pwesto na kailangan mong bantayan araw-araw, at least dito, dala-dala mo yung business mo anywhere. Most liquid. And when I say about most liquid, madaling magpasok ng pera, madaling maglabas. Your brokerage account is just like any other bank account. Pagka kayo nag-withdraw ng pera, you're withdrawing like from your ATM. Kung kayo may trabaho sa morning or kayo nag-work ng nighttime, ang Forex market is actually open 24 hours, 5 days a week. So kung merong work kayo sa morning, pwede kayong mag-trade sa hapon or sa gabi. You have 24 hours to choose your time. Yung 50,000 niya, in 3 days, naging more than $1 million. Para siyang nanalo sa loto. May mga time po na ganun sa pagtitrade ng market. What I'm trying to say is, mas malaki chance nyo maging millionaire bilang trader versus sa GCash or yung mga online game, mga color game, yung mga scatter or sa casino. At least dito 50-50 lang yung chance natin, di ba? Ayan.
If you are looking for reliable Forex trading education, dito tayo sa iPro. Bakit? We teach quality knowledge for free! Plus, we have a supportive community who learns together, trade together, which eventually grows together. So tara, sa next Forex trading orientation, click the link sa description or comment section to save your spot now. See you sa next bootcamp, Kaya Pro!